PD6B AWARM. By adding a pair of 5-axis robotic arms to PD6B's 44-pound payload platform, the PD6B AWARM can work in high places, collect dangerous materials, as well as pick up or set down cargo in remote areas. The robot arms can carry a max load of approximately 22 pounds and fly for 30 minutes, making it suitable for long operations. ProDrone possesses an unrivaled combination of sophisticated robotics technology and drone engineering innovation.
This is BotBoxer, a first-ever robot for martial arts. It can feel velocity and direction of your every shot. It can see and track your moves to spot any hook or jab from you. It will react to move away from your fist and escape the oncoming punch with a velocity unattainable, even for a pro. Start with drills. Choose punching combinations you want to work on. Jab, hook. BotBoxer will be the coach, looking out for mistakes and providing detailed statistics to keep you motivated. Move on to free training. Now you tailor BotBoxer's behavior to your level and goals. Adjust parameters like motion or reaction to make a perfect sparring partner for you. Stay light on your feet to keep up with a moving target and work on your strategy and style. No other tools in the gym can help you train punching power and speed all at once.
This one-of-a-kind, patented, community-friendly system offers a temporary and rapid deployment and retrieval solution for emergency traffic control applications. Simply take the traffic guard out of its heavy-duty canvas carrying bag, roll it out, and flip it over across any debris-free smooth surface. The traffic guard contours to the shape of almost any road surface. Rubber pads on each section also help keep it in place on wet road surfaces. Add our Ultimate Guardian option, and you can instantly create a removable barricade. Reflectors make the traffic guard easily visible at night.